We've got a couple kilometers of portaging today, so gotta get those calories in. Those don't look like they're coming out right. I'm gonna mix up the rest. I'm definitely gonna be eating all this. Oh, a little premature, I guess. Well, no, I know. Can't be too careful though. That looks great. Oh yeah, look at that. The kid's a genius. Let's eat this one, get another one on. Look at that, thing of beauty. Thing of beauty. You know what? A little more butter didn't hurt anybody. Did it? Except for all those who died of high cholesterol. Good old butter. My only friend. Maple syrup.